I am Abhimanyu and I am Senior Manager at Neptune Automatic. This company into entrance solutions. It starts with boom barrier, parking management, polar, turnstile, barriers, speed barrier, gates as well as the pedestrian gates. This product starts for the entry security. It secure your places. Once anybody enters from the place, that entry will be the authorized one. So this basically helps in making the entire premises secure because only authorized entry can be done. Apart from this, we have a solution for parking management also, where in any residential society or any commercial space can get a hassle-free parking, as well as from the revenue point of observation, this will facilitate. Apart from this, we have the pedestrian gates in which the commercial space as well as any space, any building can have the authorized access entry to the places. Apart from this, we have the bollards also, that if somebody enters, breaks your barriers, then second layer security we provide additional guard, and with the use of bollard, the vehicle can be stopped then and there itself. Apart from this, we have the solutions for the villas also, swing slide gate filters, where in a villa owner can automate their gates as well. Neptune is fully made in India plant. We have factory at Noida. We are manufacturing at Noida. We have headquarters and corporate office both at Noida. And we have pan-India presence. We are CE certified. All the required details like in Polar, we have K4 ratings. And whatever details required, we are fully compliant with the Make in India and we promote Make in India products. 2026 currently we have presence pan India, and we have other verticals as well. We are into electrical energy management. We are into EV charging. So our focus will be more on EV charging because as per today norms, we will be able to focus more on this market for the EV charging. As of now, we are focusing on EVs and automatic vertical. But as of 2026, focus will be more on EV.
For more information, please visit www.ncnonline.net.